Welcome to the Deep Dive. Okay, so today we're kicking things off with something, honestly, a bit unexpected.
Oh, yeah.
Now, imagine a tool, right? Costs maybe $10 less than your coffee run.
Okay.
And get this, one reviewer called it, enthusiastically, the Switzerland of paint removal tools.
Switzerland for paint removal. That's a new one. What is it?
Exactly. We're
Oh.
talking about the Husky 2-inch stiff scraper. We're doing a deep dive into this surprisingly legendary little thing.
Yeah. A Husky scraper. It does sound pretty humble for such a neutral and strong comparison.
Right.
So our mission then is to figure out why. Why this specific scraper? It's got what? A stainless steel blade, basic design.
Right.
But channels like Savage Reviews on YouTube, they usually look at complex tech.
Yeah, high-end stuff.
But they highlighted this and you hear whispers like it kind of broke the internet in its own small way. Just pure user love.
It's wild, isn't it? It really makes you stop and think. I mean, how does something so basic, so cheap, get called more reliable than most relationships? That's a quote from one source.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
that's intense praise for a piece of metal and plastic. There's got to be something more going on there.
Absolutely. Like, what's the psychology behind that kind of loyalty? Let's try and unpack this.
Well, what's really fascinating when you look through all the comments, the reviews, the biggest complaint you find isn't about a flaw.
No. What is it then?
It's people saying, "Man, I wish I'd bought this sooner." It's regret, but positive regret.
Positive regret. I like that. It suggests they found something genuinely useful, maybe unexpectedly so.
Exactly. It suggests this belated discovery of real value. And it's not just about the tool itself, is it? It kind of makes you look at, our buying habits. What do we actually need?
That's a great point. It really pushes back against that idea that more extensive always means better,
Well,
especially when everything seems to have a million features now.
right.
So here's where it gets really interesting. This Husky scraper, you can find it at Home Depot. It's like $9.98.
Yeah.
The absolute key, the MVP feature, it's stainless steel blade.
Ah, okay. That makes sense. Durability.
Totally. Think about other cheap scrapers. They get wet once or twice, maybe you leave them outside. Boom, rust city.
Yeah, useless pretty fast.
But this one
Mm-hmm.
stays sharp, and critically, it doesn't rust. And there's this balance too. It's thick, right? Thick enough for tough jobs, doesn't bend easily.
Exactly. Too rigid.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It still has enough flex so you don't feel like you're, gouging your wall like some kind of...
Like you're excavating ancient ruins.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Not like you're some deranged archaeologist.
Right. And connecting that to the bigger picture, it's the lack of complexity that seems to be its strength.
Totally.
Think about it. No subscription needed to scrape paint.
Imagine.
No app to track your scraping stats. No Bluetooth. It's just metal, plastic handle, does the job. Pure function.
Which really makes you wonder, doesn't it? In this age where, your toaster probably needs a software update.
Yes.
What does the success of this simple thing tell us about, good design? Maybe less really is more sometimes. Have we overcomplicated things?
It's the core question, I think. It just strips away all the marketing noise.
Yeah, it does. So, okay, beyond the amazing blade, what else is there? Anything else in the design adding to that value?
Well, yeah, a couple of nice touches, got a cushioned grip.
Oh, that's good. So your hand doesn't die after 5 minutes.
Exactly. Helps during those longer jobs. And this is neat. It has a little metal end cap on the handle, a hammer end.
A hammer end. Seriously?
Yeah, you can use it to tap in a loose nail or maybe set a nail before you drive it properly. Just adds a bit more utility.
Huh. That's actually pretty smart. So it's surprisingly versatile. I saw one comment, someone said they'd used theirs for 20 years.
20 years. See, that's not just a tool. That's an heirloom scraper, a testament to it just being made well, a proper workhorse.
It really is.
And you compare that to, well, one source called a lot of other stuff on the market overpriced garbage that breaks after 3 uses.
Ouch. But probably true sometimes.
Or plastic nonsense that couldn't scrape butter on a warm day.
Huh. Okay, vivid.
But yeah, the Husky just works. And the pros, the contractors who use tools all day, they apparently love these things.
Why them specifically?
Because it's effective, it's cheap. If you lose it on a job site, it's not a disaster. You just grab another one and it's simple. No learning curve. It's like the tool equivalent of comfort food.
Tool of comfort food.
The goal.
I love it. Okay, so let's wrap this up. What are the key takeaways for you, the listener?
Well, this Husky 2-inch scraper, it really seems to hit this sweet spot of exceptional value.
Yeah.
Simple, super durable, thoughtfully designed.
Right, you've got that sharp stainless steel blade key feature,
Hmm.
resists rust, tough but flexible. You've got the comfy grip, the handy hammer end. It's kind of a statement piece against feature bloat, isn't it?
It really is. No app, no Bluetooth, no subscription needed, just function.
And the user reviews back that up, overwhelmingly. The biggest feeling seems to be, why did I get this sooner?
Yeah, and its versatility is pretty amazing, too. People use it for everything, taking off old caulk, scraping ice off windshields. It just handles it.
And the fact that pros swear by it, not because it's fancy, but because it works, it's cheap to replace, easy to use, that says a lot. Simple, solid design winning out.
Absolutely.
So one of our sources made this observation. This is what capitalism looks like when it actually works.
Yeah.
Which, is a bold statement, but it leads to a question for you.
Hmm.
In a world just crammed with complex gadgets, constant upgrades, features you never use, what can the quiet, lasting success of a simple $10 tool teach us?
About good design,
Hmm.
about what real value means.
Yeah, and maybe about what we actually need from the things we buy day to day. Something to think about next time you're browsing the aisles, maybe.